Before you view the video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be the first to know when we post new videos every day. How to reduce snoring with a simple juice. Snoring usually occurs when a person is going into deep sleep from light sleep. The throat tissues and the roof palate tissues relax, obstructing the airway. The air then pushes forcefully into the air passage, resulting in a sound we know as snoring. Allergies, asthma, cold, nasal congestion, and sinus infection can cause snoring. This could be hereditary or could be due to certain medications. Sleeping posture and obesity may cause snoring, so the best way to stop snoring is to lose weight. Alcohol consumption, especially before bedtime, increases airway obstruction and cause a higher probability for snoring. You should also avoid eating the following foods, known to increase the intensity of snoring: late in the evening, fried foods, heavy floury foods, excessive alcohol, processed foods and dairy products. One of the things that contributes to snoring is excess mucus. If you can lessen the amount of mucus that builds up in the throat and nasal passages, you will free up the airways, which can reduce or maybe even prevent someone from snoring altogether. One of the simplest ways to achieve this is by juicing. Simple juice recipe to eliminate snoring: 2 apples, 2 carrots, 1/4 of a lemon, 1-inch knuckle of ginger. Preparation: blend them together and drink it a few hours before bedtime to eliminate snoring.
If you like the video, give us a thumb up, share it with your friends, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tapping the bell icon so that you will be the first to know when we post new videos. Thank you.